Hey, what's up, guys? Kenny and Stallion here, and today I'll be showing you guys my dye tank that I've made. So this took around 3 days, and it looks amazing. Like, amazing. I even have a guide up here, but that's not important. So, pretty much, the turret can rotate 360. And I really like the color, so this may be like a desert tank in a desert. So it has nothing under it, and yeah, this is gonna be taken off. So pretty simple design. The caterpillars are silver with a bit black. The wheels are silver. Everything else are painted silver, then gold on it, and then this cinnamon brown. As an antenna, it has the hanger where the hatch open, a guard so they don't get shot easily. And so for the turret, I actually took like one of those fat pencils, pretty much like cut it up and skinned it, and painted it black and turned out really well. So this is my very first tank I made, and I'm really proud of it. So my very next tank that I'll make is probably gonna be either a Merkava or an Abram, probably an Abram, and I think it will turn out really nicely with this tank. So this tank is based off like a old tank, cause like it has a small, thin box like shape. The newer tanks have like a triangle here, and they're like way wider. So I really like how it turned out, and I'm really proud of it. I also have like extra details here. So I'm really happy by how it turned out. So if you enjoyed this showcase, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notifications bell to know when I upload a new video. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.